Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, November 9, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 2, 2023, our system ranked SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.85. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 0.73%. This means that, on average, it has provided a return of 0.12% per day since it was labeled as hold/accumulate. In the short term, the ETF is currently experiencing a falling trend. This can be seen as a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $436.88 is broken, it may indicate a slower falling rate and even the possibility of a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential -5.15% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -10.94% and -4.48%. Now, let's consider the 12-month trend. It suggests a 14.08% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return ranging between 8.54% and 24.81%. In other words, after a year, the price could be anywhere between $470.89 and $541.47. Our latest daily update for SPY brings some news. The SPY ETF has been downgraded to hold/accumulate. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, the SPY ETF price experienced a decrease of 0.780%, dropping from $437.25 to $433.84. Throughout the day, the ETF's value fluctuated by 1.17%, ranging from a low of $433.40 to a high of $438.45. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 instances, resulting in a 5.16% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 19 million on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk in the coming days. In total, approximately $32.91 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 76 million shares being exchanged. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $459.44, while the lowest price was $374.77. At this moment, the current price stands at $25.60, 5.57%, below the 52-week high, and $46.14, 9.61%, below the all-time high, which was achieved on January 4, 2022, at a price of $479.98. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for SPY, the popular ETF. The moving averages indicate positive prospects for the stock, with both short and long-term averages showing buy signals. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, reinforcing the positive outlook. In case of downward corrections, we can expect support from the price lines at $433.09 and $427.63. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Moving on to the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD, a buy signal has been identified. Although there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact short-term development. Notably, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 8, 2023, leading to a -0.780% fall. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased during the recent price drop, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Now, let's talk about a significant event in the long-term chart. On Monday, March 27, 2023, the ETF received a golden star signal. This rare occurrence happens when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line align in a special combination. Historically, such signals have often led to substantial gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands provide a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 4 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY has found support from accumulated volume at $429.54. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can anticipate an upward reaction when the support is tested. With a good volume of trading activity for this ETF and minor daily price changes, the overall risk is considered to be low. In the past day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a high and low of $5.05, 1.17%. Over the course of the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.788%. Today, let's explore some potential day trading levels for SPY. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $434.69. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss level for this ETF is $420.75, which represents a decrease of 3.02%. This ETF demonstrates low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected just 1 day ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? While SPY holds several positive signals, we still don't find them to be enough for a buy candidate. Currently, it should be considered as a hold candidate or one to accumulate, as we await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, November 10th, we expect SPY to open up $1.39 and start trading at $435.23. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and bear responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree. Comment below and share your insights with us. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target for the ETF is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.